Hi students, welcome to Krabai Tuition Center. Now we are going to see problems related to angles of depression. First example number 6.26. A player sitting on the top of a tower of height 20 meter observes the angle of depression of a ball lying on the ground as 60 degrees. Find the distance between the foot of the tower and the ball. Now we'll draw the diagram. A player sitting on the top of a tower of height 20 meter. So he is sitting on the top of a tower of height 20 meters. Observes the angle of depression of a ball lying on the ground as 60 degrees. So he bends his head down to 60 degrees and finds a ball lying on the ground. Find the distance between the foot of the tower and the ball. Now they are asking you to find this distance. Now we will name it A, B, C and we need to find BC. Now since this is 60 degrees, so angle C is equal to 60 degrees. So this becomes the opposite and this becomes adjacent. Now you need to find the adjacent value. So what angle you will take? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, which is equal to 20 by BC. Now tan 60 is equal to 20 by BC. What is tan 60 value? Root 3. Root 3 is equal to 20 by BC. So BC is equal to 20 divided by root 3. Since we are having root 3 at the bottom, now we should take conjugate and multiply and divide by the conjugate. So BC is equal to 20 divided by root 3 into root 3 by root 3, which becomes 20 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now the value of root 3 is 1.732 divided by 3. So 1.732 into 20. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 40, 2 1s are 2. So after 3 digits keep the point. So 34.64 divided by 3. .64 divided by 3. So here point is there, so keep point here. 660. 3 5s are 50, balance 14. 3 4s are 2, so remainder is 2, which is equal to 11.54 meters. So the distance between the foot of the tower and the ball is 11.54 meters. We can stop with 2 decimal points. Next example number 6.27. The horizontal distance between two buildings is 140 meters. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building is 30 degrees. If the height of the first building is 60 meters, find the height of the second building. The horizontal distance between two buildings is 140 meters. So there are two buildings and the distance between the two buildings is 140 meters. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building is 30 degrees. So from the second building, the top of the second building is watched at 30 degree angle. So here you can put 30 degrees. if the height of the first building is 60 meters. So the height of the first building is 60 meters. Find the height of the second building. So find the height of the second building. Now we will name it A, B, C, D and E. Now we need to find BC. So see, what is BC? BC is equal to BE plus EC, where BE is nothing but 60 meters. So 60 plus EC. So now you need to find the value EC. So draw the diagram. Take only this part of the triangle. C, E, D. Here you have 30 degrees. This is 140 meters. Since this is 140 meters, this is also going to be 140 meters. Now you need to find EC. So this is 30 degrees. So this is opposite. You need the opposite value. So what angle you will take? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, which is equal to opposite is CE by adjacent is 140. So tan 30. Now what is tan 30 value? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to CE by 140. So CE is equal to 140 divided by root 3. Taking the conjugate, 140 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. C is equal to 140 into 1.732 divided by 3. Into 140. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 7 4s are 28, 29, 4 1s are 4, 5 6. One 2s are 2, and 3s are 3, 7. So after 3 digits, keep the point. 242.48 divided by 3. 48 divided by 3. 3 8s. This point goes here. So 80.82 meters. So C is equal to 80.82 meters. Therefore, length of the second building BC is equal to BE plus AC. BE value is 60 plus 80.82. .82 meters. So the length of the second building is 140.82 meters. Next, example number 6.28. From the top of a tower of 50 meter height, The angles of depression of the top and bottom of the tree are observed to be 30 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tree. From the top of a tower of 50-meter high, the angle of depression of the top and the bottom of a tree are observed to be 30 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tree. So you need to find the height of the tree. Angles of depressions is 30 degrees and 45 degrees from the top of the tree. Now draw a parallel line here. So here it is 30 degrees, so here also 30 degrees. Here it will be 45 degrees. Now we will name this A, B, C, D, E. Now we need to find CE is equal to what? Okay. Split it into two triangles and take it 30 degrees. Triangle ADE. So the height of the tower is 50 meters. So this will be, let this be x. So this will be 50 minus x. The height of the tower is 50 meters. Another triangle is angle 45 degrees. Here it will be 50 meters height of the tower, and this is y. Here also y. So take this as A, B and C. Here AD becomes x. Now come to this triangle. You have 45 degrees here. This is opposite and this is adjacent. So tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 45 value is 1. 1 is equal to 50 by y. Y is equal to 50 meters. So you have got y is equal to 50 meters. Now substitute this value in this triangle. So you will get D is equal to 50 meters. Now we can find AD. Tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 is equal to x by 50. X is equal to 50 divided by root 3. So the height of the tree is x, 50 minus x. So now we are going to find x. 50 divided by root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3 is equal to 50 into 1.732 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now 50 into 1.732. 3 is 50 minus x. So x value you got here 28.86. 50 minus 28.86. So it is equal to 21.14 meters. So the height of the tree is 21.14 meters. Next example number 6.29. As observed from the top of a 60-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 28 degrees and 45 degrees. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So now we will draw the diagram. As observed from the top of a 60-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 28 degrees and 45 degrees. So from here 28 degrees, first ship is there, and bending on more, that is 45 degrees, another ship is there. So both are along the same side. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So they are asking you to find the distance between these two ships. So these are all the values given for you. I will name this A, B, C, D. So we need to find CD is equal to what? Now we will take it as two triangles, because this is 28 degrees, we can write here 28 degrees. This is 45 degrees, so here 45 degrees. Now split this into two triangles, A, B, C. Here you have 45 degrees and here you have 60 meters. Now this triangle A, B, D. Here 28 degrees. So here 60. Now what we are going to do is, now we are going to use this triangle and we are going to find the BC value. Then we will use the BC value and find out the CD value. Okay. So now first, so BD is nothing but BC plus CD. Now here we will find BC. Angle you will take tan theta, because you have opposite and you need adjacent. So tan 45 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 45 value is 1, 60 by BC. So BC is equal to 60 meters. So you have got BC is equal to 60 meters. Here 60 meters. Now this is 60 plus CD. Now again we will use tan value and we will find the value of CD. Now in the question they have given you tan 28 degrees is equal to 0.5317. So we are going to use this value here. Tan 28 degrees is equal to, opposite is 60 by 60 plus CD. So now we'll do the sum here. So tan 28 value is 0.5317 is equal to 60 divided by 60 plus CD. Now 60 plus CD is equal to 60 divided by 0.5317. So now 60 divided by 5317 into, to remove the 0 we will 1 2 3 4, because after 4 digits you have the point. So 60 plus CD, right. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5317. Nine minus 3, 6. Zero. Sevens are 40. So 2 sevens are 14. 4 carry over 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. 2 threes are 6. 2 fives are 10. So now cancel this. 4 is 6. 9. 6 is 4. So keep 1 point, 0. Put here 8. 8 sevens are 56. Balance 5. 8 ones are 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Balance 1. 8 threes are 24, 25. So 8 fives are 40, 41, 42. Now cancel this. Minus 3 is 2. This 5 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So again we'll put 1 0. Now we will take 4. 4 sevens are 24. 4 ones are 4, 5, 6. 4 threes are 12. 4 fives are 20, 21. So I am stopping with this. 60 plus CD is equal to 112.84. So CD is equal to 112.84 minus 60. 2.84 minus 60. 11 minus 6 is 5. So 52.84 meters. So the distance between the two ships is 52.84 meters. Next example number 6.30. A man is watching a boat speeding away from the top of a tower. The boat makes an angle of depression of 60 degrees with the man's eye when at a distance of 200 meters from the tower. After 10 seconds, the angle of depression becomes 45 degrees. What is the approximate speed of the boat? In brackets they have asked you to find it in kilometers per hour, assuming that it is sailing in still water. So the water is not moving, it is still water. And they have given the root 3 value as 1.732. So now we will draw the diagram. A man is watching a boat speeding away from the top of a tower. So he is standing on the top of the tower. The boat makes an angle of depression of 60 degrees with the man's eye when it is at a distance of 200 meters. So it makes 60 degrees when it is at a distance of 200 meters from the tower. After 10 seconds, the angle of depression becomes 45 degrees. So he lifts up his head, the angle of depression becomes 45 degrees. After time t is equal to 10 seconds. What is the approximate speed of the boat? So this is the first level of the boat and this is the second level of the boat. Now we need to find the speed of the boat. Now this is 45 degrees, so here 45 degrees, here 60 degrees, so here also 60 degrees. Now for finding speed, what is the formula? Speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken. Now you have the time here 10 seconds. Now you wanted to find the distance. So we need this distance. The distance travelled by the boat from the first level to the second level is this one. So we need this distance. Now we will name this A, B, C and D. So we need CD. Distance is equal to CD. Split this into two triangles. A, B, C. A, B, D. So this is 200. Here we have 60. So if we find the AB value, substitute here and find the BC value. Sorry, BD value. This is 45 degrees. Now we'll take tan theta. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 value is root 3. So AB is equal to 200 root 3 meters. So we'll use this 200 root 3 meters in AB. Now here tan 45 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent BD. So tan 45 value is 1, AB value is 200 root 3 divided by BD. So therefore BD is equal to 200 root 3. So see, the value of BD is 200 root 3 meters. See here, BD minus BC gives you CD value. So CD is equal to BD minus BC. So BD value is 200 root 3 minus 200. Take 200 common out, root 3 minus 1, which is equal to 200 into 1.732 minus 1. 200 into 0.732, which is equal to, we will multiply. These two zeros come here. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Now after 3 digits, keep the point, which is equal to 146.40 meters. So now you have got the distance 146.40 meters. We need to find the speed of the boat. So speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken. Distance travelled is 146.40 divided by time taken is 10 seconds. So this is meter per second. So we are going to get the answer in meter per second. But they have asked you to find the answer in kilometer per hour. But we have got in meter per second. So to convert this 146.40. So meter into kilometer. How you will convert? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. So this we are going to divide it by 1000. Here you have got seconds, 10 seconds. Now 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So 1 second is equal to 1 divided by 3600 hours. So to convert this, we are going to divide this by 3600. So it goes to the top. 3600. Now you can write the unit as kilometer per hour. Now we find the answer. See here, to remove the 0, 14640 divided by 100 into 1 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 to 3600. 0 gets cancelled. Now multiply these two things. I'll do the calculation here. One 464 into 36. 6 37 38. 6 4 are 24. 7 6 7 8 4 are 12. 3 6 are 18 19. 3 4 are 12. 18. 3 1 are 3 6 1 4. 52704 divided by 100. So after 2 digits you will keep the point. 527.04 kilometer per hour. One small correction here. This is 5. Here you have 100. Here 10 you have, so that 0 also you need to include. So after 3 digits you will keep the point. So 52.70. So 52.70 kilometer per hour. So the speed of the boat is 52.70 kilometer per hour.